Hey guys, today we're talking about the Aspire card I got a pre-approval letter from, and whether I should be interested and whether you should be interested. Stick around to the end of the video, let's find out. Alright, looks like I have been pre-approved for up to $500 for the Aspire card. Now, considering I had some derogatories, Aspire is a subprime lender. They are looking for people with less than perfect credit. They use certain algorithms to find people that they think would be a good fit for them. Let's keep reading, find out. It looks like it is an unsecured card, which is great. I don't have to put a deposit down. So offer expires 5/6. So I've only got a couple. Today's the 20th. So I got about 15 days, 2 weeks. Now, summary of credit terms. The following summarizes your key terms. Annual percentage rate for purchases. Guys, as I've talked about before, annual percentage rate should be minor consideration for you. If you're handling credit cards correctly, you should be paying them off every single month. You should not be rolling over debt on a credit card. That is the absolute worst way to do it. So annual percentage rate does not matter, but holy Toledo, 36%. Whoa, that is horrible. That's definitely subprime category. Does have a grace period, so at least they're not charging you from the day of purchase. That is a good thing. Annual fees. Ooh, they may not charge a security deposit, but they want $125 for the first year. Okay, $39 annually thereafter. $39's not bad. Account maintenance fee, $120? What the? They're going to charge you. Okay, it's not billed for the first year, which means you're only going to pay $125 the first year. But then if I'm reading this right, and I am, you're going to pay what amounts to $159 every year to hold this card. That is unacceptable. An additional card fee, $25. I'm already upset with this card. Now, again, this is not a card for me. This is not a card I'd recommend to anybody. Let's see, is there any other good news in here? Got to be 18 years of age, 19 in Alabama. Unless you violate the terms of the agreement, we will not reduce your initial credit limit during the first 12 months after account opening. They may reduce my $500 limit after the first 12 months. Credit card review and reporting. You're authorizing us to obtain credit reports, so they will pull a credit report on this. It will be an inquiry, which is a negative check mark on your report. Guys, I'm not seeing a single thing that I like about this card. Not one. It is a subprime card. It is one that I am not interested in carrying. I would not recommend you carry that card. At $125 for an annual membership fee, a pleasure of doing business with us fee, that's unacceptable. $160, $159. That's not acceptable for year 2 on. I have got 4 credit cards. Combined, they don't charge that much in annual fees. The only reason I would pay an annual fee is for something like my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It is a $95 annual fee, and it does have the ability of saving me more than the cost of that annual fee. I get perks with it that are bonuses. If it wasn't for those bonus perks, I wouldn't have that card. If your bonuses are more than your annual fee, then an annual fee is okay. to an extent. Once I get past this initial hump, I'm probably going to drop those other 4 cards with an annual fee because I don't like them. I don't use the cards. I just keep them up in the cabinet and pull them out once every couple of months. Before I got this card, I would get a secured card. Now, I've got 2 main rules on secured card. 1, it must graduate. 2, no annual fee. I did a video up above me. I'll put a card for it, and I'll stick it at the end of 8 very good secured cards that will graduate and do not charge you $125 for the first year and $160 past that. That is ridiculous. Guys, I'm going to cut this one short. Don't go for the Aspire card. If you get that or any pre-approved card, read the fine print. Make sure you know what you're getting into. There's better options than spending a small fortune. Citi has a good one. Discover. Watch my video. All right, in conclusion, the Aspire card. Extremely high annual percentage rate. Massive over-the-top annual fee. Not going to recommend this card. However, their website does show that they do have a card with a 3% cash back. Did not look into it, but it is not this card. So I will not be carrying this one. There are 3 videos coming down the line that you need to be watching out for. Chase Sapphire Preferred card. We've got the Amex Hilton card, both of which I just recently received. Got them behind me. And the Navy Federal Secret card. More information is coming out about that, so make sure to like, subscribe, give me a good thumbs up, and hit the notification bell for future videos. I'm out. Till next time.